So I'm AJ Zarate, and I am third year of BA Linguistics, running for CSSP counselor under Bukod CSSP.
Hello, Ms. Zarate.
Hello.
Your first question is, how do you describe the political culture in CSSP, and why do you want to be part of it?
So I think the political culture in CSSP is a miniature of the political culture in UP, and UP is a miniature of the political culture sa Philippines, di ba? So, very complex siya, very interesting. Sabi nga nila makulay, meron tayong 3 kulay. At nakakatuwa na napag-aralan yung mga yung system na to, yung political system nga na hindi tulad ng high school na simple lang, may masabi ka lang na proyekto, okay na. Dito kasi talagang seryosohang laban, seryosohang prinsipyo mga pinaglalaban, at tunay na mga service ang ino-offer. And why do I want to be part of it? It's not actually being part of the political culture, but more on, because I am an incumbent, I was a linguistics department representative, and dahil sa experience na yun, parang na-embed na sa akin yung desire to serve the college, and tinulungan ng konseho, yung konseho nito, yung mga tinulungan sa necessary skills, and yung experience talaga, yung naghubog pa or nag-shape pa ng desire talaga to serve the college at the best of my abilities.
Okay, for your next question, are you in favor of charter change? Why or why not?
So, yun. Mainit nga ang topic yung charter change ngayon. So, tayo naniniwala tayo na sa paghimay ng ganyang issue, tingnan muna natin yung mga motibo ng mga nagsusulong ng charter change nga na ito. At upon examination, we can see that hindi lang nila gustong i-amendahan ng isang provision or certain provisions sa Constitution. May nakita tayong mga latent motivations or latent agenda dito sa charter change na ito. So, we are not for charter change before 2010, before the Gloria administration is over. We are definitely against any form of change in this Constitution.
Okay. Last question. Kung meron kang ipapalit office sa buong katawan mo, ano yon at bakit?
Okay, hindi naman siguro rito kaya pero nagmamanifest kasi sa aking face lahat ng stressors ko sa buhay. So siguro, magpapa-ayos na lang ako ng face kay Velo dahil ang dami kong pimples. Ayun, so yun lang. Feeling ko yun lang. Medyo satisfied naman ako sa aking itsura. Yun nga lang, ang dami ko nga lang zits sa face.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ms. Zarate.
Thank you.
Marie-Louise Louis Navarro Camino, 3rd year Political Science, Buklod CSSP Counselor.
Good afternoon, Ms. Camino. Your first question. How do you describe the political culture in CSSP, and why do you want to be part of it?
I would have to say that it's democratic because a lot of the students, in fact, all of the students get to participate in all the decisions, that that have to be made within the college, not just during the elections, but also when the CSSP Student Council are already in office. So I want to be part of this political culture because I believe in its being democratic, and I believe that every person should be given a chance to participate and to be part of the decisions that would affect them.
Okay. Your next question. Are you in favor of charter change? Why or why not?
Well, personally, the reforms in the charter are okay, but since the motivations behind the change are not clear, and if it is going to happen under the current administration, then I don't think it would be a good idea.
Okay. For your last question, Kung meron kang ipaparitoke sa iyong katawan, ano yun at bakit?
Siguro, yung ilong pa na. Yung ilong ko. Kasi, sa buong pamilya namin, ako lang yung iba yung ilong. Lahat ng kapatid ko matangos yung ilong nila.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Camino.